Former Ifugao Representative Teddy Baguilat Jr. denied allegations of corruption related to infrastructure projects in his district during his previous term. President Rodrigo Duterte named the Ifugao Politiko as among 9 legislators in the list submitted to him by the Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission. Baguilat called Duterte's announcement of the list as diversionary tactics. It was released amid Malacanang's confirmation that some members of the Presidential Security Group were given non-FDA approved Sinopharm COVID-19 vaccines. He stressed the smuggling of the unregistered vaccines should be investigated.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.